Good morning, I'm here down at Netherfield Cricket Club, and this is one of our Give a Day projects for the 1st to the 7th of June this year. And so if you're interested in getting involved, please sign up via Cumbria CVS website and the link below. We're going to take a look now on what needs doing here at Netherfield Cricket Club for Give a Day 2026.
Yeah, so we've got the club's run by a set of volunteers that look after the club, and it's quite a big ground. We have a groundsman on site, but he can't cover everything. I think the difference it'll make here is that just make it look a little bit fresher. The changing rooms have now been in place for over 15 years. We've done odd little bits of tidying up, but I think the real benefit is freshening it up, make it look better, give the benches a little bit of a tidy and a paint, and just real benefit them people coming down. It's a nice site, it's just looking a little bit worn and we want to refresh it and go again. So yeah, so the people, there's over 150 people use this in the summer, there's other 100 in the winter months. It'll really benefit them because they're coming in, it looks a little bit tired and worn, and it's taking out whether we can be proud of the site, and I think it'll really just energise the club, make it look a bit tidier, invite more people down, get more people to the club. If it looks nice, people want to keep on coming back. So I think that with it being worn and looking a little bit tired at the minute, whether people are getting a little bit put off by it or not coming down as much, just freshening it up will get people to be here, coming and joining in. We've had cricket teams from under 5 to seniors, we've got football teams from under 5 to seniors. I think if people see it, feel comfortable here, feel like it's a nice place to be, it's really good. It's all about first impressions, isn't it, and coming back and making sure that they want to come back every time. Yeah, just a massive thank you to everybody that can come and volunteer here at Netherfield. It'll make a massive difference to the people in the community and people, users on the site, as well as visitors come in, and without this support it would still look worn and tired come next year, and I think that allowing this would really help us drive on again.